Saleng A Sangma MLA ke NCP badang shu resign shen ulakno ba ka jangwan penya so ojung u shaka Congress kadai hadin ba briew u ba kynjat ye una ka Congress haki kynjat snem menshua umdan shu menta ha ka ka party bat ula phet shaka TMC habakren shekilat pathai kubor hadin ka jing pnyang buram daki he Congress ha Congress baban u Saleng ulaong ba ka jingwan jung u shaka Congress kadai namar uyoi ba kadai ka party ka baki pat ba ki khamno kaminsim ladaya nujor bat kiwe u president ka party uba Vincent Pala ulai thu ru ba usaleng udeiru unongelam kisamla Congress hakaba ulale ru banishim menta haka jingjet yaw Rahul Gandhi hakitugi por kum unongelam.
You know, the person who kicked up are no longer there. That is one thing. Another thing is that he was a coward. He could not stick, with the Congress. That's why he left Congress and he joined TMC. So that's why I'm in.
No, I would put an answer for that in terms of the perspective, because the very leader which we have got here is a man of principles, is a man of values, a man of humility, very humble nature. So that itself is an inspiration. It's quite seductive, for people to kind of come and join us. Yeah, I'm seeing that, I'm experiencing
that. That is also very.
So that is one way of inspiration for Saleng, because we have been talking for some time, and that is one of the reasons for him coming back to us. And Congress as a party, if you really look at it nationally also, we are the ones, from the time of independence or prior to that one also, we always had alternate views and alternate opinions. We have people going out from us only when there is a motivation of power or some other sort of attraction other than this. So we are a party which is largely accommodative of multiple views, multiple interests. Sometimes it happens, and we are ready to take back the people who align with our ideology and principles at any point of time. That's where we should look at it from the positive perspective.
I think if you look at overall, most of the leaders who have a vision, who have a mission, they always look to where they can have a proper platform, where they can get a proper reform, and where they have to see where we get a better uniform also. So in politics, you need to see a group, you need to see also the future. So I see that Saleng is one of the brightest politicians who can have a future. Number one, he has the personality. Number two, he has the courage. Number three, he has the capacity to see. So he's not only a leader on his constituency, but he's a leader for the people of Garo Hills as well as for the people of Meghalaya. He's joining back, like what he said, he was in the Congress. He is more of the Congress than me. He was in the Youth Congress. He used to go to UP for the election of Rahul Gandhi. He worked very hard on the ground those days. But some people saw that he was a threat to them. So they kicked him out. They denied the ticket to him. But today he realized that when he was in the NCP, and then when he looked for a better platform, and he wants for reform or whatever he thinks, I think there's a limited scope for Meghalaya. Therefore, he comes back, so we welcome him. So also Richard Singh, I told him many times to join the Congress, but then he realized now only that when he goes to the grassroots level, the people think that, oh no, this time we want to go, we want to change, we want for change, we want a Congress. So I welcome all of them, and I see that with both of them coming, the waves will start from Giant Hills to Garo Hills. Definitely will help us, will improve, and I'm very confident. And this time we are going to declare the candidates, I think within 3-4 days. I'm leaving for Delhi right after this press conference. And we are having meeting tomorrow for screening committee and the CEC on the next day. So hopefully by 25th or 26th we should declare our candidates. We have already cleared 57 candidates as of now, 57 out of 60. So we want to keep a gap of 1 or 2 for strategic fighting for the election. And I think every party, every body has a strategy. So with this, I think we should do well. And definitely Saleng coming in he'll come influence a lot of youth, and he'll be an example of the youth who faced, he was a victim from the Congress and he has come back. Now with his experience as a victim and experience now will be as a leader, a better platform, I think will give a better reform.